and 5 into 1 upon x minus 4 into 1 upon y is equal to minus 2. Now we will substitute 1 upon x as u and 1 upon y as v. So put 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v in the above equation. In the above equations. So we will get the equation as 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. Give it to number 1 and 5u minus 4v is equal to minus 2. Give this equation as number 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2 by elimination method, substitution method or cross multiplication method. Then find out the values of u and v. Here it is easy to eliminate v because in equation 1 the sign of v is positive and in equation 2 the sign of v is negative. So we multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3 by multiplying equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3. So now the equation becomes 8u plus 12v is equal to 52 and 15u minus 12v is equal to minus 6. Now if you simply add it, by adding this, what you will get? We eliminating v. So plus 12v and minus 12v gets cancelled. So 8u plus 15u is equal to 23u is equal to 46. This implies your u is equal to 46 upon 23, which is equal to 2. Which is equal to 2. Now put u is equal to 2 in equation 1. Now put u is equal to 2 in equation 1. We get 2 into 2 plus 3v is equal to 13. This implies 4 plus 3v is equal to 13. This implies 3v is equal to 13 minus 4 implies 3v is equal to 9. This implies v is equal to 3. This implies 3 is equal to v is equal to 3. Now I am rubbing this. Now since we put 1 upon x is equal to u, now since 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v, but what we find, but we have u is equal to 2. Therefore 1 upon x is equal to 2 and 1 upon y is equal to 3. Cross multiply them. This implies 2x is equal to 1 and 3y is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore, thus x is equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 3 is the solution of the given system of linear equation. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 3 is the solution of the given pair of equations. I think all are clear how to solve or how to reduce the given system of equations into the standard form. Okay, we will take one or two more examples like this. Now the next question is, solve 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. So in this case also, now here we can write this equation as 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 2 and 1 upon 3 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon y is equal to 13 upon 6. Again, to reduce it into the standard form, we put 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. So the above equation becomes u upon 2 plus v upon 3 is equal to 2 and 1 upon 3u plus 1 upon 2v is equal to 13 upon 6. Now here, since the denominators are not same, we take LCM. So here the LCM is 6. LCM is 6. Cross multiply it, it will be 3u plus 2v is equal to 2. And here again the LCM is 6, then it will become 2u plus 3v is equal to 13 upon 6. Now transposing this 6 to RHS, you will get 3u plus 2v is equal to 2 into 6 and 2u plus 3v is equal to 13 upon 6. Since it is in the denominator, when it goes to RHS, it will multiply. So 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. This implies 3u plus 2v is equal to 12 and 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. Give it to number 1. Give this to number 2. Solve it by elimination or substitution method. Then you will get the values of u and v. Then as explained earlier, put that values of u and v in the this, that is 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. Then you will get values of x and y. Okay. आई थिंक इसके आगे वाला आप लोग आराम से कर सकते हैं यूजिंग एलिमिनेशन, सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड और बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. ओके, देन कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. Then the next question is 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2. And 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to 2. I will just explain this, how to reduce it into the standard form. So 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2. And 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to 2. Here you have to substitute or substituting 1 upon root x is equal to u and 1 upon root y is equal to v. Then the above equation becomes, therefore the above equation becomes 2u plus 3v is equal to 2 and 4u minus 9v is equal to 2. Then solve, give it to number 1. And give this to number 2. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. If I solve it by elimination method, and here you will get value of u. Solving 1 and 2, we get u is equal to 1 upon 2 and v is equal to 1 upon 3. Now put the values of u and v in. Next is put the values of u and v in 1 upon root x is equal to u and 1 upon root y is equal to v. So substitute it. So 1 upon root x is equal to 1 upon 2 and 1 upon root y is equal to 1 upon 3. So now cross multiply it, you will get so the next step will become root x is equal to 2 and root y is equal to 3. Now here, but we need to find out value of x and y. So our next step is squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides, we get root x square is equal to 2 square and root y square is equal to 3 square. This implies x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9 is the solution of the given system of equations. Okay, I think all are clear. मुझे लग रहा है सबको यहाँ तक समझ में आया कि किस तरह से आपको पुट करना है. Now the next question is solve the pair of equations. That is fourth type. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2, and 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Now in the previous cases, in our denominator only x and y, or under root of x, under root of y is given. Now in this case something different, that is in the denominator 5 upon x minus 1 and 1 upon y minus 2 in both are given. So here our first step is substitute 1 upon x minus 1 equal to u and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. So the above equation becomes 5u plus v is equal to 2 and 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. Give this to number 1 and give this to number 2. Now equal to 1. Now solving 1 and 2. If it is easy to eliminate v than u, because here 5u plus v is there, and in the second equation 6u minus 3v. So here we multiply equation 1 by 3. Multiply equation 1 by 3. So the equation becomes equation 1 by 3. So the equation becomes 15u plus 3v is equal to 6, and the second is 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. Next step is adding the two equations. Here plus 3v minus 3v gets cancelled. Now 15u plus 6u, you will get 21u is equal to 7. Now this implies 21u is equal to 7. So u is equal to 7 upon 21, that is equal to 1 upon 3. Now put u is equal to 1 upon 3 in 1 or 2, any one of the given equation. Put that in, put u is equal to 1 upon 3 in equation 2. So you will get 6 into 1 upon 3 minus 3v is equal to 1. This implies, here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. This implies 2 minus 3v is equal to 1. This implies minus 3v is equal to transpose 2 to RHS. So this plus 2 will become minus 2. So 1 minus 2. So this implies minus 3v is equal to minus 1. This implies, since in both the side negative sign is there, so it here u is v is equal to 1 upon 3. Then in the next step, substituting u is equal to 1 upon 3, v is equal to 1 upon 3. In this substitution, so here now, since u is equal to 1 upon 3 and v is equal to 1 upon 3, but 1 upon x minus 1 is 1 upon 3 and 1 upon y minus 2 and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3. In the next step, by cross multiplication, you will get x minus 1, cross multiply, x minus 1 is equal to 3. This implies x is equal to 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. This implies x is equal to 4. And y minus 2 is equal to 3. Implies y is equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. Thus, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 is the solution of the given pairs of linear equation. Now, I will take 2 more substitutions, then we will stop. I will just explain how to bring that system of equations into the standard form. So here the next question is, seven x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. So in this case we will write this as, this implies 7x upon xy. Since here the denominator is common, so we will write it like this: 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5 and 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equal to 50. Now here x will cancel, y cancel. So this equation becomes 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5 and 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15. Then as usual put 1 upon y equal to u and 1 upon x is equal to v. You can put any alphabet, that 1 upon y is equal to, you can also put it as p, 1 upon y, x, you can also put it as q. Anything you can use. Now, like this equation comes to the standard form, that is 7u minus 2v is equal to 5 and 8u plus 7v is equal to 15. Now all of you can easily solve it by any one of the methods: substitution, elimination, cross multiplication. Then you will get value of u and v. Then substitute that values of u and v here. Then you will get the values of x and y. Okay. Now, here again I will take one more example, because each and every question is different here, that's why I am taking it. Next question is 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy, and 2x plus 4y equal to 5x. Now this question is same as the previous question, but in this case that xy is in the RHS. So here our first step is dividing, give it to number 1, number 2, dividing both the sides of equation 1 and 2 by xy. Then you will get 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6xy upon xy. So it will become 6 upon y plus 3 upon x is equal to 6. Then you can solve it by the previous method. Again do the same thing with the another equation, that is 2x upon xy plus 4y upon xy is equal to 5xy. So this implies 2 upon y plus 4 upon x is equal to 5. Give to 4 and solve it as solved in the previous question. So I think all are clear how to reduce the given system of equation into the standard form. Okay. Now here I just explain this. I hope you understand this exercise or this exercise. So in classwork notebook you have to solve exercise 3.6 question number 1 completely, and tell me the comment on this video. Okay, thank you.